following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police Department. An unidentified virus strain is rapidly spreading across the state of Pennsylvania. The first reports of the virus are believed to have been in State College. The virus has since spread throughout the state of Pennsylvania. It is believed that it will spread to adjacent states within the next 12 hours. Symptoms of this virus include initial nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, loss of muscle control, and unconsciousness. State College has also reported that some of the affected persons have been through a death-like dormant state before waking up and becoming extremely violent. Because this appears to be an airborne virus, authorities recommend that the following action should be taken by all members of the public: stay indoors and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Wear breathing masks to prevent catching the virus. Ration your food and water supplies so they last for 1 to 2 weeks. If you show any of the symptoms, inform the local authorities so that you can be quarantined in your home as soon as possible. Any residents on neighboring states hearing this message should also take these precautionary actions. All efforts are being made to stop the propagation of this virus. Streets should be kept unobstructed for emergency personnel. Most importantly, stay safe and avoid panic. Unruly behaviors will not be tolerated. You will be arrested.